My people, I throway salute for all of my viewers wey dey watch me. So I want make una still catch am for where una for dey watch me from. So my name na Anthony, your regular presenter for First Aid Immigrant Solution. So I still remain the anchor man. So till when any other person go still join me, come still dey present for this channel. For now, na me the anchor man wey still dey come dey throway information for this place. So wetin make me come for this morning be say make I come explain how you fit take book an appointment to renew your permit of stay for Italy. So if you know say you get any permit of stay, the reason of your permit of stay na Italo dey call motivi. So wey dey take give you the permit of stay. So if you get motivo di lavoro, which is working permit of stay, you fit go post office go collect kit or a big envelope wey you fit fill and post am back for post office, or collect €30 wey dem take post am back for you. And at the end of the day, they will secure this appointment for Questura. All you need to do now to collect, go the day of your appointment, carry all the document we don put for inside the envelope, go present am for Questura. But this one wey I wan tell you, so na be one way that they call online. No, so booking appointment using Coupa project. So this Coupa project, so now those people wey know say if they get political asylum document, or they ask for international protection, which they call asylum seekers, or you get you want to apply for the motivo the familia, which is family motive. If you get any of this setup, you fit book your appointment using Coupa project. So not be all Questura already get this Coupa project the function for their Questura. Make sure say you first go check whether the Questura where you know say you get resident or you get accommodation in that city where your document dey. So if you know say that Questura dey in line with this Coupa project, so you fit use this Coupa project to book appointment. So from the city where me dey, so Bologna, the Coupa project dey work for long. So we dey abilitato. That means say we are also connected to this Coupa project. So you fit use Bologna to book an appointment if you want renew your permit of stay. If you dey camp, if you know say you still dey get any family group wey know say like your mama or the person get Italian passport, if you apply for this Carta Soggiorno for European citizen, that one na Cartaccio. So those people own na paper 5 years now that they give them. So that paper 5 years, because of say the money where they pay now only €16, so they not they pay for electronics. Now make they give the paper. So now Questura there now therefore they do everything. So if you book appointment direct to Questura without passing through any other means, like those people where they ask for political asylum, so you know if you go carry kit, you understand me now. For those people who know say their parents or their brothers and sisters still get Italian passport, they want give their brothers or they want give their parents, those people no fee, or they want give their wife or their spouse, those people no fit still go carry kit. But you have to go direct online where I want talk, so where be Coupa project. So to book this appointment for this Coupa project, now it be the easiest thing where I don't see say it a lot of do where they work well, and it's cheap and it's free. All you need to do now to get computer where they connected to internet. Once you get those one, you are good to go. So now be the thing where this Coupa project will do. So this Coupa project will still enable you to see secure appointment. And after you don secure this appointment, on the day of your appointment, e also tell you the list of documents wey you still present on that day. So if you bring all those things, you fit still renew everything wey you bring. The fit use am take renew your document for you. So now this Coupa project they do, because a lot of people they spend money, they give lawyer make they help them book appointment for police station, or make they help them book appointment. Some of them still dey give money to their fellow brothers and sisters, say make they help them book appointment, And these things you fit do am after you don watch this video to the end. Make sure say you watch this video to the end, because I go still drop the description of how you fit do am using computer at the end of this video, so that it go make the whole thing take work together. So if you don do all those things, after you don register and everything, they'll send your after you don register for this Kupa project website, www.kupa-project.it. If you register with them, enter your surname, your first name, and your email. Then what you need to do is to check and accept everything wey they talk. You click on registrati. After you don click on that registrati, you go send one link where you say activation link. Once you click on that activation link, you go send username and password to your email direct. And that username and password wey you go send to your email is valid for 2 months. After 2 months, you fit re-register again using the same email address and everything, so that if 2 months don come, say your appointment don elapse, you fit still use the same email again. Na be the essence of this video, so that you know say this Kupa project na company wey open this website to book this appointment. They embedded this appointment for their website, and they make am secure. Each numbers wey they generate for the username and password they generate not be the same, e dey different. So anything wey you dey do for that website dey secure well well. More than not fear say e no secure. So anything wey you send, wey you feel, e dey go police station. So the day of your appointment, if you present that paper wey you print that day, wey after you don get your appointment date, you are good to go. So they'll answer your thumbprint, you do everything wey they need to do. So from there, you fit renew your document without you no pass through taking of kit or send of all those kit and all those, or go give money to lawyer, or go give money to one boy or one girl wey go help you do am. So those things you fit do am by yourself. The procedure you watch am now. So let's go to my computer now. Let's watch how the thing take dey play for my computer. So once you don watch this video finish, more and not forget, wanna subscribe. Let's go to the computer now. Okay. Hey, my brothers and sisters, and here now be my computer where I first tell una say I come. So if you go to your Google, you click on Kupa project for search engine, which is Google search engine here. So the first link where you know say you'll see now be this one. So if you click on this link, it will take you enter this Kupa project website, Simply Your Life. So now here be the place where you know say therefore the book appointment. This Kupa project, so now then be the people where they help you, they book this appointment from police station, whether they call Questura here. So this Kupa project, as you can see, say booking from your website. Kupa project help you to also book appointment from your website, and they embed a series of these platform to book an appointment on your site. So automatically they generate code and help you to secure your appointment in this police station. So to go this how you fit a book, and I will want to. So what you do, say you carry this your mouse pointer so to this registration, then you enter this username and password. You understand? So if you enter this username and password, so for your surname, and your name, if you enter your surname and your name for there, you make sure say you put your email. After you don't put your email, you understand? So like this, now they try to fish. So if you just put your name at Yahoo or at Gmail, anyone we know say you they use .com, and you make sure say this checkbox is checked, and you click on registrati. So once you click on registrati now, so it could take you enter this site. Now don't tell you say they already send a message to this website where they know say you take open this information. So this website, so where they take send information go, so you will now go to your email, this email where you take register yourself. It already say un messaggio contenuto il link di attivazione è stata spedito correttamente a seguito il diritto, which means this message or the content of this message has been sent with the link, activation link is being sent to you, that email address. So what you need to do is to go to your this is the link they were telling you about. Once you click on this activation link, it will take you direct back to that Cooper project again. So once you don't click on that one, this link now it will take you back to Cooper project again. So once it take you back to Cooper project, so all you need to do is go back to your email again. And if you go back to your email again, they must have already sent you a username and password. This username and password they will send you. And this one will be the username and password. As you can see, the username and password, all you need to do is to copy the username and password from your email box to the Cooper project website. So this is the thing I'm going to do now. So you've already seen the username and password. So I'm about to copy it now. So you just watch. So here we come again. So this is the registration we've done before. Now we are going to log in now because we already have the username who they send me English. So now here be the registration. We don't go visit and just now. So now we go log in now. So click on login. So all you need to do, you enter this your username. So that password, we are going back now to copy the password that was being where they sent to us for our email. So now we want to go so this the password is this. So we are going to copy the password so that we can use the passwords for the other side. So yeah, so you can't say paste. So here be the password. Now after we don't enter the username now and the password, you click on Achedi. So once you don't click on Achedi now, it go take you enter inside the Cooper project. So now here be the place where you know say as you see the load now, where you for free book appointment. As you say the don't take us enter inside the place. Now once you come down, you go where they say prenotazione, nuova prenotazione. So now here be the place where you for free book appointment. So click on nuova prenotazione. So it go bring wetin we know say you go feel come out. You go bring am to us. So here now, all you need to do, because of say we dey use am for teaching purpose. So which category be the things if you na the sector of judiciary, police station. So we are going to police station. You select police at the start too. So which other things where you for the commune of residence, where you know say you the resident or you get your hospitality. So where you dey stay, you put am for there. If we dey stay, for instance now Bologna, as you dey type the first 4 initials, it go just pop out. So you just select the one you want, then you type the type of prenotazione. So if now concerning asilo politico or carta soggiorno cartaceo, so for those people wey know say if they ask for political asylum, because of say a lot of people don already tell me say some of our brothers and sisters or lawyers, they see they use their head say to book an appointment, go say make they go bring money, make they take book appointment for them, and which they know say they fit do these things by themselves. Now make me they take my time so till they gradualize each step by step in order for my people make they fit understand. So if you know say you dey ask for political asylum, or you dey renew your titolo di viaggio, which is your passport, or you see dey renew your asylum itself, you fit use any of these take book appointment. Or if you know say you still get any family wey you know say get passport, whether na your mama o, your wife o, dey get passport, the husband or the wife no get or the mama no get, so you fit apply for carta soggiorno for Comunità Europea. So those one na dem dey call dis cartaccio. If you click on this one na because that one na only paper sojourner dem go give dem, but na 5 years. So that one you fit use am take travel if you get any member of European Union wey dey travel with you take go UK or any other non-European Union or non-Schengen area. So after you don select the type of prenotazione or the booking wey you wan go, then you select the questionnaire wey you know say you wan handle that particular case, which is the appointment. So like this one now, the first one wey come out now na the people wey dey in charge of immigrants, na it be this one. So once you just select this one, you are good to go. So the prenotazione now, the date wey you know say e dey free, e dey always dey alight. So for instance now, if I wan book this one now, the day wey you know say e dey free, e dey always dey alight. So like this one now, na this one wey this 1 2 3 now na it dey free. Like all this one now wey dey blur now or wey dey inactive, those one now dey already book am. So if I wan book for instance now the 15, I just say 15. So once you don do that one, the time wey you know say you wan book, say 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, you fit still select the minutes if you want, but if you no want, them say 10 20 23. So if you wan write any short note in regard to wetin you wan renew, so if you do that, you write am here. But if you no wan write, if you leave am, then you accept this checkbox, then you click on aggiungi prenotazione. So once you don click on this aggiungi prenotazione, so you are good to go. So make sure say as you dey do this one, so this site dey case sensitive. Wetin that one mean be say if you wan enter the username and password, make sure say if na capital letter, write am as capital letter. If na small letter, write am small letter. After you don do all this one wey I don talk, so you click on this aggiungi prenotazione, you don already book appointment be that. For further information for wetin you know say you carry along with you, you fit still see am after you don book appointment. They will send a message to your email box, or you fit still print am out the appointment, and you carry along with you the day wey you get appointment. So this place so where we dey, so e dey very case sensitive. Say anytime wey you know say you dey log in for your Kupa project, you make sure say you use the right username and password. So if you don't use the right username and password, the thing dey always dey get as e be, so e no work. You understand? So you fit use through post office to renew your paper, but you fit still use through this place to renew your paper if you book appointment from here. So if you use through post office, for those people wey get normal permit of stay or working permit of stay, they need to use through post office. But for those people wey get asylum, if you still use through post office or through this place. Now I say make I tell you so. So if you know or say this video you find out dey useful, you see am. So this place so will be small letter I. Now if I put capital letter I, e no go work. You understand? The reason why e no go work be say I no use the right word. You understand? So e no work. You see am say e no work now. Now I make I tell you just now say e dey case sensitive. So make sure say you use the right word, and when you click on Achedi, so it go work at that point in time. So this video, if you know say you find out dey useful, don't forget to click on like, and don't forget to subscribe to First Aid Immigrant Solution, so that more video are still coming, so that anytime where I still drop any other video, you go still be the first person wey go see first see the alert for anything wey dey watch me. So one, not forget, I still remain Anthony. Una bye bye.